Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the divine fruit, my superstar. Are you ready to hit the stage and show us what you have been working with, what you've been developing, your roots? Judge the fruits by its roots, and you're rooted in the right things. And yourself in the positive way within your gifts. You look good, you smell good, you taste good, you feel good. Your growing process is good. I want you to step out and show out. It's your moment. This is your season. This is your breakthrough where you define the life that you're going to have for yourself. And we're all going to be grateful for your service, because whatever you're doing, whatever your gift is life changing. I need you. The entire world needs you. And what does it hurt? And think of the benefits of being able to do what you love and then have that sustain your life. As I work to improve and free myself to your superstardom, I strengthen my foundations. You strengthen your work by putting in the work. My intellect is light because you're a genius. My heart is warmth because you're full of love. That's why everyone loves you. And my soul is strength. You bend, but you don't break. You never stop. You're unstoppable. That's what we love about you. I am nurtured by the divine sun, and my fruit that I bear, it reflects my inner light. And I'm saying shine, baby, shine, show up, show out, be your best self, because I need you and the whole entire world needs you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.